People, welcome back to YaadAndAbroadTV. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, like, comment, share, and subscribe. As I said, if you're not familiar with this channel, we talk about issues in Jamaica, the Caribbean, and the whole world, people. Wagwan viewers and subscribers, welcome back to my channel, people. So yo people, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please remember to hit the subscribe button. Alright, much love and appreciation as usual. So news coming out of Jamaica, people, where it's saying a partially burnt body of Portland woman found with chop wounds. Yes, you heard that correctly, people. The partially burnt body of 60-year-old farmer Cynthia Hinds was found with chop wounds at her farm in Margaret's Bay, Portland, this morning. Police investigators are now processing the scene. The discovery was made by a passerby shortly after 8 a.m. It is further reported that Hinds' feet and hands were severed and that the body had chop wounds to her face, back, and chest. Also, the lower part of her body had extensive burns. It is believed that Hinds, a plantain farmer, may have left her house shortly after 5:30 a.m. to her farm on a property owned by the Airports Authority of Jamaica in Margaret's Bay, where she was attacked, chopped, and set ablaze. A large crowd descended on the scene, people. Yes, you hear that, people. Heartbreaking news coming out of Jamaica. Very, very heartbreaking, people. 60-year-old, farmer. Imagine that. She lived a long life, and at 60 years old, she's still a hustle and a provide and a do her little thing on a farm. And somebody kill this poor lady. Very, very, very sad, people. I'm not gonna lie. Very sad situation that somebody can look at a 60-year-old and just tie them up, sever them arms and legs or whatever, and on top of that burn them. Yo, mankind, humans, people like Jano, like them can't so wicked, cannot be that wicked, people. It's a very, very, very sad story, people, coming out of Jamaica. One person in the comment section goes on to say, unfortunately, these crimes are nothing new. They are just getting seen more because of social media. So it's not Jamaica getting worse. It's just news are reaching more people. Back in the days, this news would only be known by the community that it happened. Now everyone know about most violent crimes that happen around the country instantly due to the social media and smartphones. There are a lot of improvements going on in Jamaica. The issue is, with those improvements, the poverty gaps are wider and created more crimes in these impoverished areas. And there is definitely some truth to that, people, because things like this happened back then, but as him say, you only hear about it in the community, the little district, the little area you come from. And with social media, you definitely getting hear about it a lot more. It spread, news spread on social media very quickly. And back in the days, you never, as him said, it happened, but it stick to the community. But I know, when I was growing up, I don't remember nothing like this. I'm not gonna lie, people. I didn't remember nothing like this going on. Now things just get crazy. Everybody a kill off one another because them no want to see the next person strive for better. It's a crazy world we live in, people. Crazy, crazy, crazy. But once I get more information on this, I will keep you guys updated, alright? Much love and appreciation once again from YaadAndAbroadTV. Bless up in yourself, people.